Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. We all love the look of vines draping over fences, climbing trellises, and even used as ground covers. Unfortunately, many times they grow out of control, taking over your garden and choking out other plants. Fortunately, there are 3 ways to take back your garden. Number 1, manually. Before you groan, think about the great workout you will get. Plus, it's a fact that working in the garden makes you happy. Manually getting rid of vines includes hand pulling them by their roots. If you don't get the roots, you will be wasting your efforts because they'll just grow back. If you don't want to use your hands, no worries. Dig them up using a shovel, weed puller, or trowel. Digging up vines may be labor-intensive and you might break a sweat, but it is a natural, effective method that will take care of the problem without harming surrounding plants or soil. Cutting. If digging the roots up by hand is too much labor, you can cut the leaves as close to the root as possible. For this to be effective, you need to continue to cut back any new growth or simply place a tarp over the area to smother what is left. Number 2. Kill vines with chemicals, like this one from Roundup. When using chemicals, take care to stay away from surrounding plants that you want to keep. Number 3, kill the vines with do-it-yourself methods. Believe it or not, you can do as much damage to the soil using do-it-yourself remedies as you can using store-bought chemicals. Salt. Sprinkling. Salt around the vines will kill them, but be careful. Not only will the salt kill the vines, but it will kill everything around them. Even if you are using it in an area where you are not worried about killing surrounding plants. Heavy rains can cause the salt to travel to other areas. Mixing vinegar with a few drops of dish soap is another way of naturally getting rid of vines. Use the mixture to spray directly on leaves and roots on sunny days. This mixture may not be immediate and may need a few applications. It is effective, but it will also harm surrounding plants. As always, your best course of action is preventative. This includes regular maintenance. Inspect your garden regularly and remove any new vine growth barriers. Install barriers such as edging or root barriers, such as a tarp to prevent the spread of vines. Always use a thick layer of mulch around the plants you want to keep. Please note, all the products mentioned can be found in the link below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.